everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So we have an awesome video for you guys today. So please thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed. And before we jump in, wanted to tell you guys that about an incredible opportunity right now to start making money just by making little videos promoting products like this car charger, like this other car charger, like these little games right here, this digital camera, or like, you know, products like the C4 energy drink. You can make money right on TikTok now on your phone. It only requires a few minutes a day to start making money on it. And you don't need an experience or a following, and you just do it on your phone. You don't need to show your face or anything. Click the link below if you're interested in this to join my TikTok shop program and learn how people are making thousands and thousands of dollars per month. They just made it super easy for anybody to start doing this. And right now there's a 30-day free trial to sign up, try it out, see if you can start making money. If you don't like it, you can cancel it anytime. So check the link out below. Let's get started with the video. Okay, in another update, Uber has cut rates for drivers. Want to read this one?
Yeah, so this is doable anymore. Bruh. With gas price this high in SoCal and Uber cutting the fare, how TF are y'all able to work for this BS?
For realsies. This guy says it's the maintenance that gets you.
Yeah.
Not only the maintenance, it is the maintenance too, because yeah, the more miles you put on your car, the more likely you are for your transmission to go out, or you need to get new. It's not even about getting new brakes or oil changes, or it's like the big stuff. Like, oh, your timing belt because you're putting so many miles on it. Your transmission, your engine, like these really costly repairs. The more you drive Uber, the more likely you are for your car to have to get those repairs. What do you think about this one?
Hybrid 50 to 60 mpg, that's pretty good. Gas goes up $1 a gallon. That's 2 cents or less a mile. If 2 cents a mile matters that much, you should have quit doing this before now. What is it?
He's just saying like that since gas prices, can you turn that off? Since gas prices are $1 up a gallon, it's not really that much of a difference. So he's kind of like saying it doesn't really matter. All right, you want to read this one?
Yeah. Okay, totally feel you. I was driving in the West Side area for 2 months during the day. Traffic is brutal during the day. Even on some of the side streets, I was making $200 a day, but I was working my ASS off for it. Not even worth it, especially all the gas and wear and tear on my car. I did this full time for about 2 weeks, then cut it down to 3 days, driving 10 hours a day. Still felt so...
What?
I can't see it.
Why?
Because the notes was over it.
Oh, you can see my notes?
Yeah.
Really? I hope that's on the stream.
Oh.
Okay, go. Whatever. I thought I was just sharing the Chrome with you. Okay. All right. Can you read it now?
Where was I? Oh, still felt so burned out. Mentally draining being on the road for that long. Appreciate all the conversation I've had with people I drove, but it is honestly so taxing my mind, my body, and car. I don't understand how people do this full time. I understand this is a side gig, but yeah, Uber is for people who are in between jobs or for people who are wealthy and bored. What the heck? What wealthy person is gonna
spend their time driving Uber?
Like, is gonna be so bored that they're like, oh, you know what? I might as well just drive Uber.
Wait, there's actually a guy in my running club who claims that he just drives Uber for fun. But that kind of makes sense because, like, I feel like a lot of people who go to the running club, like, they're going there to meet friends. So he was like, yeah, I have a full-time job where I make good money. I just do sometimes I get bored and I just do Uber. I want to talk to people.
What the heck?
But he's also like married, and I'm like, he's like super. Gosh, I don't want to talk too much about him online. Anyways, Yeah, maybe I don't know. I think that's a very small percentage of people who drive Uber just for fun. Like, I think actually I have heard of stories of like some wealthy people doing it as like an experiment to like, it's like a celebrity will like, oh, I want to go get a job at like a restaurant to just kind of like, how like Dylan Sprouse like worked he was like a busboy
Yeah, yeah.
just to kind of like, be involved, like not to, he just wanted to like experience
Being
life.
touched with reality.
I've heard of some like wealthy people being like, oh yeah, I drove Uber just to kind of like talk to everyday people and like kind of just for the experience. But I think that's a very, very small percentage.
Yeah.
Like less than like 0.01%.